Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another non-phone data entry work from home job lead. Real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about bringing you the best work from home jobs available and helping you live your healthiest, happiest life with that work-life balance. And I always encourage people to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for, along with any education and experience that you have, because I'm always reading those comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I always want to be sharing something that is helpful to someone out there. But in order to keep today's video short and to the point, the company House Doctors House Medic is hiring a data entry operator. Now, one thing to note, this is for my United States folks only. They are based out of Falls Church, Virginia. In the job description, they do not state any state restrictions, but again, I'm only sharing information that I come across. I do not work for these companies, so you'll have to ask any specific questions that you have to them at the time of the interview. But they are looking for someone to gather, collect, and prepare documents, materials, and information for data entry, someone to conduct research and obtain information for incomplete documents and materials, creating digital documents from paper or dictation, reviewing the documents for accuracy, capturing data into their digital databases, updating and maintaining those databases, and performing clerical duties such as monitoring office supplies, scanning, and printing. They are looking for someone who has a high school diploma or GED, at least 1 year experience in data operator or similar, excellent typing skills, great time management skills, along with multitasking abilities, and they do want someone who knows office management software such as Microsoft Office or Google Suite. It does say this position, it can be done entirely remote as long as the team member has access to fast, reliable internet and dependable cell phone service. So make sure that you have those two things, and the pay is anywhere from $17 an hour all the way up to $28 an hour. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.